Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Apologies for no webcast yesterday. We had some technical difficulties, and then the market when the market starts moving like that, my first priority is always going to be the chat room and the trading. So again, apologies for no webcast yesterday. Okay, so what did we see? Back on Wednesday afternoon, we saw the weekly pivot up at 68.80 become resistance, and we saw that resistance persist into the Globex on Wednesday night into Thursday early AM. Then you get news out of Europe, and the bears have needed news for months. Something impactful, something in the middle of the night, something that can't be immediately spun or rationalized, and we got the sell-off that you would expect to see with that kind of news. Now, we break the middle band with authority. Traded it all the way down to 45 quarter after the regular open yesterday. At that point, for my part, I exited the rest of my longs. Or shorts rather. We had shorts from 78. We exited those. And as we started to bounce, because the thing we identified very early on was with the reaction in the pre-market getting carried over into the regular market, the chances for your very typical V-type bottom, the dip buyers are going to come in, and the chances they could squeeze the bears out, at least, for a decent trade, were pretty good. So we went ahead and got long down in the 49 area. Once you got back over the middle band, once you got back over 52.5, over 53.5 into 54, then the squeeze started really to take hold, and that's what pushed us up into as high as 64 yesterday. So for our part, we are still long. We took some off. We added some. Right now, we're currently long in the 53 area. What we've seen in the overnight is we've seen the green line here, the middle band, come in as support. The low is 56.5 in the overnight. The band today is trading basically 55.90, basically the 56 area. I'm expecting that middle band to get tested again in the early in the early regular session, somewhere in the area of 55 to 57. If that bounces and we get back over 57, get back over wherever we open the regular session, whatever that opening print is, then you can see moves back into the 60s. The bulls have got to take out the weekly pivot if they're going to get back to highs, which is where they want to be. They want to be at new highs. The bears are still in the conversation as long as we're trading below the weekly pivot. So both camps right now can make the assertion that they are in control. Bulls can say, we're in control above middle band. We got back above middle band. We're holding above middle band. We're in control. Bears can say, wait a minute. You've got matching highs at 68 quarter. We're below weekly pivot. Ultimately, we're in control. Both are right, but somebody is going to be wrong here in the next few days. If the bears crack it below the middle band, they're going to have to keep it below middle band, close below middle band, and turn middle band into resistance. They're not going to get many more chances, if any, to get below middle band and make a reaction low before the dip buyers just say, you know what, they can't take it below middle band and leave it there. So let's just go. And that's exactly what we'll do, right to new highs. So if the bears want to venture below middle band, they need to make it count this time. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Check out the chat room. Great time in the room yesterday. Come meet all the fantastic traders we have in there. See if we can help you out. I will be back Monday with another webcast, so enjoy your weekend. Trade them well, everybody.